Hello, my friends. Have you ever found yourself caught between wanting something so deeply and feeling unsure about how to make it happen? Maybe you're holding on too tightly, trying to control every little detail, or maybe you're waiting for some magical sign to take action. Let's start with letting go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your desires or pretending they don't exist. It means releasing the tension, the desperation, and the endless questioning of how and when. The more you chase something, the more you affirm its absence in your life. Letting go is about trusting that what you desire is already yours and that it will unfold in the perfect way. You don't have to micromanage the process. Your job is to align with the feeling of having it, not to figure out every step along the way. Now, you might ask, if I let go, does that mean I do nothing? Not at all. Letting go and taking action are partners, not opposites. When you are truly living in the wish fulfilled, your actions naturally align with your desires. Think about it, if you already believed you had the life you want, what kind of actions would you take? Would you wait hesitantly, second-guessing yourself? Or would you move confidently, knowing that everything you do supports the reality you've already claimed? Taking action from this state of belief doesn't feel forced, it feels inspired. It feels natural. Living in the wish fulfilled is the foundation of it all. This means cultivating the feeling of already having your desire, even if the physical evidence hasn't caught up yet. It's not just imagining the outcome, it's embodying the emotional state that comes with it. For example, if you desire love, don't wait for someone else to bring it to you. Feel the love within yourself right now. If it's financial abundance you want, don't wait for your bank account to grow before you feel secure. Feel that security now, and watch how life begins to reflect it back to you. Here's the beautiful thing about this process. When you live with the wish fulfilled, the actions you take become effortless extensions of your belief. They're not driven by fear or lack, but by the certainty that your desire is already a reality. Let me give you an example. If you want to be a writer, don't just wish to be one. Feel what it's like to already be a successful writer. Imagine the joy of seeing your words impact others, the excitement of sharing your stories. Then, take action from that place. Write because you are a writer, not because you're hoping to become one someday. You might wonder how to stay consistent in this mindset, especially when challenges arise. The key is self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. When you notice doubt or frustration creeping in, don't fight it. Acknowledge it, and then gently shift your focus back to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Every moment is an opportunity to realign with your desire. Another important aspect of letting go is detachment from the outcome. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about what you want. It means you're not obsessed with controlling how or when it shows up. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust the process, water it, and give it time to sprout. The same goes for your desires. Trust that the seed you've planted in your imagination is growing, even if you can't see it yet. Taking action also requires courage. It means stepping out of your comfort zone and doing things that align with your vision, even if they feel unfamiliar or uncertain at first. The version of you who already has what you want isn't sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect moment. They're living boldly, trusting their intuition, and thinking the opportunities that come their way. When you act from a place of confidence and belief, you'll find that life meets you with support in unexpected ways. Living in the wish fulfilled also means being mindful of your inner dialogue. The stories you tell yourself shape your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that it's hard, that you're not ready, or that it's impossible, those beliefs will manifest in your life. But if you tell yourself that you're capable, that everything is unfolding perfectly, and that your desires are inevitable, then those beliefs will guide your actions and shape your experience. Your words and thoughts are powerful tools. Use them wisely. One of the most freeing things about this practice is realizing that you don't have to have all the answers right now. You don't need to know every detail of how your desire will come to fruition. Your role is to set the intention, feel it as real, and take inspired action. The rest will unfold in ways you can't always predict but will often amaze you. Trust that there's a greater intelligence working in your favor, one that responds to your faith and persistence. It's also important to note that progress doesn't always look linear. Sometimes, it might feel like you're taking a step back or like nothing is happening at all. But don't be discouraged. Growth often happens beneath the surface before it becomes visible. Keep nurturing your belief, taking aligned action, and staying open to possibilities. Every step you take, no matter how small, is moving you closer to your desired reality. Let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to anchor yourself in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. When you're grateful for what you have and for what's coming, you align yourself with abundance. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already present, and that shift creates space for more blessings to flow into your life. Make it a daily practice to feel thankful, not just for the big things, but for the small moments of joy, connection, and progress. Another key is to trust the signals and signs that come your way. The universe often communicates subtly, nudging you toward opportunities or offering gentle reminders that you're on the right path. But these signs can be easy to miss if your mind is cluttered with doubt or if you're too focused on controlling outcomes. Be open, alert, and willing to act when you feel inspired. Sometimes, the smallest prompt, a random conversation, a new idea, or even a gut feeling, can lead you to the next step in manifesting your desires. Moreover, as you take action, it's essential to detach from comparisons. Often, we look at someone else's life and measure our progress against theirs, which only breeds frustration and a sense of inadequacy. But your path is unique. What works for someone else may not be meant for you, and that's okay. Instead of comparing, focus on aligning with your own vision. Celebrate your growth, however it unfolds, and recognize that every step forward is meaningful. While living in the wish fulfilled, you might notice resistance arising within yourself. This resistance often shows up as limiting beliefs, fears, or even feelings of unworthiness. These are remnants of past conditioning and should not be ignored. Rather than pushing them aside, face them with compassion. Understand that they are not permanent parts of you, they are thoughts and patterns you've picked up along the way. By acknowledging them and choosing a different perspective, you allow these blocks to dissolve, clearing the way for your desires to manifest more easily. Another often overlooked element is the role of self-care in this process. When you're depleted, physically, emotionally, or mentally, it becomes much harder to sustain the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Taking care of yourself isn't indulgent, it's necessary. Get enough rest, nourish your body, and make time for activities that bring you joy and peace. These practices recharge you and keep you in a state of receptivity, making it easier to align with your desires. So, let's bring this together. Let go of the need to control every detail. Take inspired action from a place of belief. Live in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for you. This is the balance that transforms desires into reality. You are the creator of your experience, and the power to shape your life lies within you. As you move forward, keep this truth in your heart: what you desire is already yours. Now, live as if it is. And watch how your world transforms.